channel. Today I'm going to share with you Audi. It's a Q5 and it's a 2012 year model, and I'm going to change the fog light, and it requires H11 LED lights. I'll provide the link under my description in case if you want to change yours. It's very easy to change it, and without wasting any time, let's get started. The first step will be we're going to open the grill. The way we open the grill, we just pull it. Once you pull it, it opens up at the bottom end. Then you just pull it like that. Don't be afraid that you're going to break something. Only one thing which I found out, don't want to pull straight out. Then you might break any tab. You want it to apply only the force which allow you to lift at one end. Once it's lifted, then you put your finger down there and then you can take it out. Look at how simple and easily it comes out. The tip I wanted to share with you, that don't pull it straight, because with the wear and tear that those tabs get brittle, and with the force it can break. When you open at one end, then you make sure that you go all the way around, then you open it. And it's very easy. There are two screws which requires a Torx driver, and this will take T25. Once we remove the screws, and there is a small tab at the top of the connector. You press it, then you pull it, it comes out. This is the bulb. Turn it anti-clockwise, and it opens up. These are LED lights. This one has a built-in CAN bus driver. It won't give you any error on your dashboard. If we look at on the socket itself, one tab is bigger than other two. The bigger one goes into the bigger one, seated, then you turn it clockwise, and it locks in. And this connector will fit into our original socket. So you heard the snap. So if we turn the light on, and you will see, look at how bright LED light, and you can see very bright. I really don't need to show you the comparison at night time. Look at how bright the LED light versus the OEM light. So now I'm going to put the wiring inside, and we're going to put these two screws in. Another tip I wanted to share with you when you're going to install the light itself. If you look at the tab right here, this tab will go inside the hole which is on the body. You're going to put the tab inside. Once you put it, then it will straighten out to the screws. And now we're going to put the screws back in. You can use a ratchet and Torx driver, but if you have a drill handy, then it makes work faster. In order to put the grill, if you look at, there is cut out. So you put it right in the middle. Once you do it, then you slide it, and now we're going to press it. Once you press it firmly, it snaps in. That's it. That's how it's easy to change the LED light. And I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. I installed the LED on this side, and now we're going to put the grill, and the same procedure. We're going to place the grill in and press it. And that's it. After replacing the passenger side, now the both lights are LED and they look really bright. And good thing about these LED lights, I like it. This one has 3 lights built in. Let me show you. At this moment, it was LED. Now we're going to press it one time. It's a yellowish light. Now we're going to press it second time. That's brighter light. Now we're going to press it third time. That is a real bright light. So now you have a control on your fog lights. So if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.